Hey, what's up, Digibyte holder? It's a very good time for Digibyte holder because my brother, at the end of month every coin will pumps up and go in the moon. So this video, my friend, I will tell you to everything, my friends. You need to do this. So kindly please must watch this video to understand better now. But please, before you take any decision, research personally, and after that take a decision, my friend, because ABS Tech channel, my friend, just give you advice, cannot give you, my friend, my friends, just an only just this is not order, okay, just an only advice. So please, this is not a financial video, remember. All right, the last 1 hour, the last 24 hours, the last 7 days, all change occurring positive. Now congratulations to this time Digibyte is in the profit, and all holder, you can see the price is very cheap, 0.03 USD. So definitely if you are a short term investor, so if you have any plan to invest for a short term, so I think Digibyte is one of the good option, my friend, this time, because completely in the profit, and definitely the price is also very cheap now and very fastly moving upward now. So therefore I think my opinion is, please, my friends, hold it. All right, this time you can see that the Digibyte completely, my friend, will fail us down in last month, but definitely, my friend, you can see here, and this week also they will fail us down. But you can see, my friend, after Wednesday 21, you can see here today they also moving upward now. So congratulations, my brothers, to Digibyte. The direction is, the arrow's direction is moving upward, so that's mean to the coin is pumps up. I hope in upcoming time they will also move upward, but just in only it's need, my brothers, to you hold it. So hold it, don't sell it. I hope they will give you a profit. Let's see, my brothers, towards go on next, but kindly like video and subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for videos notification.